What the f? Where the f am I? Oh, 4Runner. How's there a 4Runner in the middle of nowhere? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I could get this installed. Let's open this. Get in here. Check this out. Do this. Pry this up. Perfect. And then do this. And then do this. And do this. And do this. I guess I have to pull the radio out, right? And then do this. And then do this. And do this. Plug this cable out. And then probably plug this one out. Cool. And then connect this. Oh, it's super easy. It's probably like it was meant to be plug and play or something. And then do this. Connect these together. Conjoin them together. And just like that, it's all plug and play, really. Beautiful. And then I'll put these guys back, because these guys were pretty cool with me, so I'll put them back. Just like so. And then take out our beatsonic plug and play power amplifier and connect the two remaining connections here. Like so. Sweet. If I recall, this is 45 watts by 4 channels, and it's completely plug and play with or without JBL Toyota vehicles, so this is like the perfect addition. Sweet. Now that this is nice and wrapped, then we go ahead and install it here. And then put the head unit back in. Clip them in. And then I redo my 4 bolts. And I think I'm already almost done. What do you got? And then I think I'm already almost done since this is the last one here. And then all I gotta do left is just clip this piece back in and that's it. Wow, what a super easy install of our Encore plug and play wow, what a super easy install of our Encore plug and play power amplifier. That's 45 watts. Wow, what a super easy. Stop laughing. Wow, what a super easy install of our Encore plug and play power amplifier. That's 45 watts by 4 channels. Very easy. How the f am I gonna get out of here? Help me!